Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can install Xbox Game Bar in your Windows. So if you by default you will get Xbox in your PC, but if you uninstall it, then you just need to follow these rules to install Xbox again. Just come over this place and it's called Microsoft Store. You just need to be search here the apps or games, search for Xbox, and then you will eventually get your Xbox here app. You just need to click over here and eventually you can see our Xbox is installed in our computer. That's why we are getting this button called open. But if you are downloading this one like you don't have, then you will get to see something like this. Let's see you this one, just click over that one and you will get this get button. So you just need to click this. Once you click over here, it will be downloaded in your PC. So the process is really simple. I hope you understand how you can install Xbox Game Bar in your computer. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.